Buenos dias! Welcome to Lesson 3 of your Clase de Español. My name is Casey Shipman, and I'm the Program Coordinator for Instant Israel at CJE SeniorLife. Today, we will be looking at some questions and answers in Spanish. You should have a worksheet in front of you. If you don't, pause the video and ask for help. Now, before we begin, I want to make a note about the letter V in Spanish. In Spanish, B and V make the same sound. So for example, the word vivir, which means to live and is spelled V-I-V-I-R, is pronounced vivir. Try saying it with me. Vivir. Good. You will see this letter come up in several of the words we'll practice today. Now let's take a look at some questions and answers. I will go through them once, and then we will go through them together slowly. ¿En dónde vives? Where do you live? Vivo en Chicago. I live in Chicago. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy de Canada. I am from Canada. Let's try it again, and I will pause for you to fill in the blank with whichever location you choose. Here we go, slowly. ¿En dónde vives? Vivo en. ¿De dónde eres? Soy de. Great. Now let's try adding in the greetings from Lesson 1. Hola, me llamo. Hola, me llamo. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. Great. Now let's go through the full conversation slowly. Again, if you have someone to practice with, great. Otherwise, you can always come back to this video and practice with me. Let's start from the beginning. Hola, me llamo. Hola, me llamo. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿En dónde vives? Vivo en. ¿De dónde eres? Soy de. Excelente! You've completed Spanish Lesson 3. We'll see you again soon for Lesson 4 in Spanish. Adios!